So welcome guys back to another video. Today we will be playing the Battle Cats. We're gonna be going up against France, and this is not the first time. This is the first time I'm playing on the channel, but not the first time I've played ever. So let's see. I don't like computer. Computer's trash. Let's go. Come on, attack. You got this. As you can see, I have pretty good cats. Yeah. This is my Uber Super Rare. In fact, I got two Uber Super Rares, but one I exchanged it for XP because I am dumb. I'm dumb as shit. And here we are. This is not. This is not a Uber Super. That's just a. Uh, that's just a special. That cat is so good. I don't know what it's called. Chung-Li, I think. It's so good. It like wipes out like look at that. Look at those attacks. Alright, let's come on. As you can see, I'm gonna spawn all of these cats, bro. We're winning this. Come on. More. Bro, they got their crackety clack crack crocodiles. I'm gonna spawn as much as cats as possible. See, it's not laggy. I promised you none of my videos are gonna be laggy. Weren't gonna be laggy. In my first video, I said that if you want to know what that video is called, it's called something. I think yeah, something. It's not. It's just literally called something. It's literally called something. Nothing else. It's just called something. It's SOMETHING. Just search that up and you'll see it. Just search up Thunderwise 33 and something. That's it. As you can see, we're pretty much winning this. We already got the lead. This cat, that demon cat, is strong against red enemies. I don't think so. He is. He is. I just need to upgrade him more. That cat is insane. He looks trash, but he's so good. See? That cat is insane. Oh, this tractor cat is really good. He does high damage, but he doesn't attack the enemies. He only attacks buildings, which is pretty lame if you ask me. Cause I mean, it has pretty good health. To be honest, it does. Oh no, I think we're gonna lose right here. Oh, never mind, never mind. We got back up. We got back up. We need to spawn this Titan cat. Titan cat is not the best. It really is not the best, but it does a lot of splash damage, and that's the only reason it's good. Valkyrie, these two are my best cats. Well, not including this. He's also slow. He's not really fast. Hey, Surfer Cat, what happened though? I'm gonna spawn at. Well, why is this match taking so long? To be honest, I don't know. I'm usually not this bad, but I'm kind of rusty. I haven't played in so long. Yes, look, you're about to see the tractor. You see that? See how much damage it does? Boof. Here, defense. Maybe spawn in dinosaur. The crew. No, see, Titan Cat is not good. Let's go fight back, dude. Let's go. They're so low. Should I call? Let's see. No, I only have enough for these two. Nah, go back, go back. Not enough. We need this thing. Nah, I think this is good. We just need wait until the fights gets over here because Valkyrie Cat is really fast. Valkyrie Cat could go like, boom. She's really fast. I don't even know if she's a cat. She's a human. Look. Oh shoot, you didn't see it. I spawned it and here she comes. She's insane. I'll have her max level, I think. Let's do 2 more against Germany. And next, and yeah, let's see what happens. We'll do 2 more battles. Looks like they're starting off basic. My basic cats are Chung-Li cat. I forgot what it is called. I think it was Macho cat and Surfer cat. Those two. Chung-Li cat is definitely my best basic cat. One of the best in general. Literally one of the best. You got a little bit further off camera. I just love the background. It's so nice. Looks like they're on top of like a really high mountain. Like Mount Everest, but it's not even snowing. And I love their cats. They're so funny. So funny and cool. Let's go. Maybe we can spawn Valkyrie cat early. Yeah, we can definitely spawn her early. Just gotta wait it out a little bit. Yep, told you. She's not too fast, but she's definitely pretty fast. She'll take that down like pretty quickly, but she's pretty slow to attack. She takes a really long time to attack back. Not too long. Not like a war god, but she does take a long time. They're sending out the big guns now. Bro, I've been sending out the big guns. They're just now starting. Look at the crew. It's the crew. This cat is definitely like in defense right now. She's in attack. One more hit from Valkyrie. Oh, no, I guess not. Come on, others. Oh, come on. Finish this off. Oh, never mind. I thought angry delinquent cat was gonna inferior beer received. Nice. We'll do one more battle and then just gonna leave it off there. Ooh, upgrade. Let's see what I can upgrade. Special cats. Oh, okay. Devil cat. Yeah, he definitely needs to be leveled up. Yeah, definitely. Devil cat max level. They did not change. Nah. Well, I have now. I have him now. But no, come on, let's see. Bicycle cat. I already have him. Nice. I'm just gonna get him because so if you go back menu cat guide, if you go these cat guides, look, you get like cat food and stuff. I did. He's at level 20. Gets the black enemies. I don't think there's a lot of black enemies. Tactic against metal against angel enemies, alien enemies, zombie enemies, Aku enemies, relic enemies. I think no trait. I have this. Egypt, chapter 1, Egypt. Alright, so I think I'm just. Oh, wait, never mind. I need to do one more battle. And then I think I'm gonna leave it there. Energy recovered. Nah, man. Sorry, I'm plugging in my computer. Let's... Oh, that was the wrong one. That was the wrong one. My bad. The right one is over here. Sorry. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm so sorry. Alright, let's play. Okay, so let's put in Surfer Cat. Surfer Cat is a good cat to start with. He's quick. He's really quick with his attacks. He's fast too, so I think he's a really good cat. And he's also really funny. And also Chung-Li. She's also walks pretty fast, and her moves are like this. Are like instantly. Like, oh snap. They're like instantly. Literally instantly. She attacks. And it's pretty funny too. Both of them are pretty funny. She attacks like insanely quickly. Chun-Li cat. He's level 20. Oh shoot, what the heck? No, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, I pressed something. $3,210. Bro, why that cat was still going? What the? Oh. Put in as much Chung-Li cats as possible. Why am I lagging here? Just because. Surfer cat, why not? You can never. Oh no, bro. We need you the most right now. Right here. We need you. And you. We need to deploy as much troops as possible. Come on. We're heading up. Ah! Okay. Those two surfer cats are doing pretty well. Please. Oh, dang it. You need to save up enough money for this cat. Oh, shoot. Please don't die. No. We only have Macho over here. Macho is not good enough. Really buff cat. We need more time, bro. We need more time.